Hi everyone, we are going to solve another question from section C of part 1 of CMA USA course. Let's get into the question. An advantage of using flexible budget compared to a static budget is that in a flexible budget, option A, shortfalls in planned production are clearly presented. Option B, standards can easily be changed to adjust to changing circumstances. Option C, fixed cost variances are more clearly presented. Option D, budgeted costs for a given output level can be compared with actual costs for the same level of output. In this question, what they are asking is, we have two different types of budget. One is flexible budget and a static budget. And just give me one advantage why I should go for flexible budget and not for static budget. Which means they are asking me to compare between flexible, they are asking me to compare between flexible budget and static budget and give me that reason why I should prefer flexible budget and not static budget. Got it? There will be so many reasons why I want to go for a flexible budget, but in out of these four options, give me one option why I should choose this. Okay, let's demystify this question. Option A, shortfalls in planned production are clearly presented. Okay, shortfalls in a planned production are clearly presented. In that case, I'll just give you an example. Assume you are going for a static budget and you have 1000 units budgeted plan, and in actual budget you have 700 units achieved. Got it? Now you are going to compare, that is 300 units shortfall has happened. I will agree for this. But if you use flexible budget and actual budget, if flexible budget will also be 700, actual budget will also be 700. This will be 0. That's why in no way if we use flexible budget it will be beneficial. We can't tell when it comes to the planned production. That's why option A is not the right option. Okay, and let's see the second option now. What is the second option? Standards can easily be changed to adjust to changing circumstances. No, this is wrong. What we are going to change is, before that let me tell you the definition of flexible budget. Flexible budget means it is a restatement of the original budget. Means it is the restatement of the original budget, that is static budget. Okay, restatement of original budget that have been adjusted to the actual level of activity, or here we can tell to the actual level of units sold, because actual level of units sold is also an activity. In that way, got it? So what are we going to change? The level of activity we are going to change, and we are not going to change the standards. The standard we have set is not going to be changed. That's why even option B is not the right option. And next, fixed cost variances are more clearly presented in flexible budget. Is it true? No. How? We will see that. See what happens. Even in flexible budget, sales minus variable cost, you will get contribution minus fixed cost. Correct? This fixed cost is not going to be affected either you use a flexible budget or a static budget, because the actual level of activity or the actual level of units sold is going to make difference in sales prices and variable cost, and for that purpose in contribution, but fixed cost is going to remain same. For that reason, even option C is not the right one. And the last one, budgeted costs for a given output level can be compared with actual costs for same level of output, which means, as I told in the starting, if I actual budget in that I have sold 700 units, I can bring down my budgeted costs also for 700 units itself, so that there will be a specific base to compare between each other, between the two budgets, the actual and the flexible budget, so that I'll be able to do a better decision making comparing with a static budget. Static budget we will not be able to do that better decision making when we do that with the flexible budget. I hope you have understood this question, and in this option D is the right one. If you have understood this question, please give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to this channel for more and more educational content. Thank you. Stay connected, stay committed.